Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Today I'm going to be testing a new product from Maybelline. This is it's actually not new, it's just a new color. This is the Superstay Matte Ink from Maybelline, and I got the color 95 Visionary. And it's a very pretty purple color. I do love more lilac type of tones. I do all the way up to like deeper purples. Purple's one of my favorite colors. So we're gonna go and test this out. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. The applicator does remind me of L'Oreal's Infallible, all of their like lip products. It has like this doe foot type of applicator. I don't really mind these. They actually do help me to apply my lip products. And if you hear my dogs barking, they're locked up right now, so they're not very happy because they're in the kitchen. So sorry about that. It does smell like a very light hint of maybe a very, very light scented vanilla type of smell. So this applicator really does help for you to get a precise line. The product feels a little bit sticky right now. Let's see if it dries down. The color is really pretty though. I haven't actually used any of these, the previous colors, so this is the first time that I'm testing out any of the Superstay matte inks. Yeah, it still doesn't seem like it's gonna dry down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm just going to wear it on my lips for the rest of the day, let you guys know how it lasted through eating and drinking, and give you my final verdict on the lasting power of this. But so far, I really do like the color of it. I like how it applied. My lips are pretty dry now in the winter, and it kind of just went over everything, so it's not accentuating any dryness that usually comes with matte type of lip products. So I think I really, really like it. You're still going to see like lines and stuff in your lips depending on the type of lips that you have. So this, for me, the way that it's looking, it's really good. It feels comfortable on the lips too, so it's not heavy. Also, if you guys are wondering, today I'm testing out a new mascara from Maybelline, so if you're interested in that video, I'll go ahead and put a card up right here. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm just checking in with you and letting you see how the lipstick is holding up. And I just had lunch, so I did put it on at about 8:30 in the morning, and it's closer to 1:30 now. So I did have soup and some avocado toast and some foods with oils, and it held up pretty well. It seems like it dried down a lot more now, but this product doesn't dry down all the way. It's not uncomfortable. It feels the same since I applied it, so it hasn't dried on my lips or doesn't feel like cracking or a lot of the things that might come with a normal like matte lipstick or matte liquid lipstick especially. So I think this is like a matte, a combination of the matte lipstick and a liquid lipstick, but still with some of that comfort to it, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm really liking it. I'll check in with you guys at the end of the day and let you know my final thoughts. Hey guys, so it's the end of the night here. It's been about 11 hours that I've had the Maybelline Superstay on, and it's lasted really well. I did reapply after lunch just in the corners of my mouth. So it does layer well over itself. It doesn't get cracky or like flaky or anything like that. It's still comfortable. This is a lot more comfortable than like the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, which I love, or any of the other ones that I've seen from Anastasia or Kat Von D. This actually compares to them, and it's from Maybelline, so I do recommend this. I've only tried this color so far, but I'm going to pick up some other colors because this has great staying power. It's comfortable, And I have such dry lips now in the winter, and it didn't like look weird and funky. So it did kind of start to dissipate like right here inside, but it's not bad. So if you guys are shopping around for a new liquid matte type of liquid lipstick, I would definitely check these out. And thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and we'll see you in the next one.